Alright, welcome to another interesting video. Today I'm at Burlington. Let's see what they have here. Everywhere is fully and nicely stocked up. Alright, today I'm at bag section. They have lots of new handbags. Let's okay. Here I'm looking at this backpack with coins purse. This is by Medingo for $19.99. Medingo. The color is given. I love the color with coins purse. This one is $22.99. And look at all the colorful bags here. Yeah, lots of colorful bags. Top handle crossbody messenger bag, $12.99. Here we have this 4 shoulder bag. Okay, this one was $88. Today you get for $24.99 by Steve Madden. Clear backpack, Medingo. This was $54. Today you get for $19.99. Not bad. Down here is Betty Johnson. I love the structure. I actually like the size. Yeah, this was $88. Today you get for $29.99. Alright, down here, these are red bags, crossbody by Nine West, pepper red. Okay, and this one, $19.99. Another Betty Johnson, $24.99. Interesting. More colorful bags, different structures, $27.99. If you are looking for handbags, go to any Burlington near you. They have a lot in the store this period. This one is $29.99. Down here is Anna Clean. This is all in one. Shoulder, top handle, crossbody. This was $68 and today you get for $19.99. Not bad. Okay. Up here is a backpack by Guess. And this one store price, I don't know. Let's see if we can pick store price. I don't want to. I'll put it right. Okay, store price for this. Store price for this is $39.99. Okay. Okay. Up here, I'm looking at something I may like. This got my attention. The structure. Let's see. It's not really what I thought, but the structure is so unique. Yeah, this is $29.99. Okay. Behind, more bags. Alright, different structures. Look at these with charms. on it. Of course, we are doing this season. If you have good charms, you can buy good structured bag then. Yeah, attach your charms. This one is $24.99. That look. Okay. Let's see the price for this. This one is $26.99. Different types of bags. If you are seeing one I'm not able to touch, go to any Burlington near you. Trust me, you will be glad you did. $19.99. The Trusted Metallic Bag by Steve. Good shoulder bag. This is $27.99. $16.99. $19.99 by Nawas. Okay, let me take you to clothing section. Let's see what they have there. Okay, see what I'm seeing here. Isn't this given? This is so cool. I love. Look at that. It looks really expensive for $24.99. For $24.99. Yeah, and behind is plain turtleneck sweater for $24.99. Let's see. Here is good leather and four together. I'm loving this. The quality is there is so heavy for $98. And this today you get for $39.99 in the store by Tahari in size medium. I wish this is not shiny. I don't really do well here. Tahari, the quality is so good. Here we have this. Look at what I'm seeing here. So cool for $24.99 in size medium. Here we have this sweater for $19.99. And behind we have this one for $8.99. It's not bad. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Alright, see what I'm seeing here? Isn't this given? This is good. The quality is giving quality for $49.99. Yeah, in size medium by this brand. $49.99. It's new in the store. And here we have this sweater. Who made this? I'm not familiar with this brand though. But the price, let's see, $10.99. You can never go wrong. It's good. The quality, I'm not complaining. Here we have this one for $14.99 in size medium. Here is another cropped sweater, 2-in-1 for $14.99 in extra large. And here we have this beaded studs zip-up sweater for $19.99. Okay. Look what I'm seeing here. For $21.99. And here we have gray turtleneck sweater Store price. Let's check the hand tag. Okay, $8.99. And here we have this interesting one. Look at that. For $24.99. The back is plain. And this color I love. For $19.99. Who made this? This one is by, I'm not familiar with the brand. Okay, yeah, actually this is by CK. Yeah. The print on the woven tag is not clear. And here we have this throw-on sweater for $24.99. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. So cool. Here is this one for $19.99. Yeah, sweater fabric, and then I'm on the sleeves. You know, white cape. This is actually a zip-up sweater for $19.99. It's new in the store. I'm not complaining. The quality is not bad. And here we have this one. This feels so heavy. By DKNY Jeans. This was $99. And today you get it for $34.99. Alright. I'll end this video here. If you made it to this point, consider sharing this video. That's all you need to do for me. Alright, let's move this channel forward. Thank you for your time, and until next time, bye for now.